All right. Good morning. Good morning. Today is on the 13th of March. All right. We'll review what we did yesterday. Hope everybody had a good trade yesterday. Look at this. This was really good. Congratulations to everybody that took this trade. All right. So we were looking for potential buys above 29.22, and we got that. The market pushed and pushed and pushed and continued, retraced, pushed, and then went to take profit 1, 2. All right. So we're pending to take profit 3 and 4. Okay, so this was a very successful trade yesterday. Congratulations to everybody. If you took it, you're really, really in good profit, basically. The sales didn't happen. We just had a spike over here, but then this didn't really close below for us to take the sales. All right. So what do we have? Terms fundamental today. What we got is the PPI at 330. Very important. Yesterday we had the CPI. This is the CPI effect. These ones that you see over here. The numbers were very bad on the dollar. So definitely you expected a adverse correlation on this side. And we had a buy over here, the market going up. Right, let's remove this analysis and do a quick one again. We remove all of this, do a fresh one very quickly. Today's on a Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Okay, so that's the high that we have. Over there, we have this as the daily low. Daily high was broken yesterday. We had the daily high over here. It was broken yesterday. Okay. So now we gotta find a new high. 4 hours resistance, support, sorry, it's over here. The high is still on this side because now that is the only place that's remaining. Okay, 1 hour, we have a support over here on 1 hour. And on 30 minutes, we have a support up there over here. So at least the market, you can see the market is creating more supports as it goes. So it means that the market is bullish. All right. One of the ways to know a bullish market is when it's creating lows, higher lows. Okay. It's creating higher lows and higher highs, and also creating supports. But let's see. So now this one we have to make it now the edge for resistance. Of course, you have to consider this core resistance over here. So my market is in between these two zones right now. We want to see a buy above that week. How does it look on the side? Yeah, probably good. So potential buys above the 29.48 area. Okay. The sales were this was supposed to be the sales because the resistance was over here. The support, sorry. Look, the support was over here. This was supposed to be aggressive sales between here, but now it's already passed. It's already gone. So there's no need for us to chase it. All right. Remember, you don't chase the market. This was supposed to be a very good potential aggressive sales, but now it's already down. So there's no need for you to enter from this point because the market may decide to turn around as well. So just leave that. If we look at the other potential places to do a sell, it's over there, but then we don't really have a very clean move over here. So we're gonna say it's a potential aggressive sells. 29.37. Below 29.37. This was a very good impulse entry, like execute just a sell. The moment it broke below this week, sell over there, and you could have covered this good profit. I didn't also take it. So of course, I'm not even in the trade yet. All right. So don't feel like you've not missed anything. We talked about FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. There is nothing. Try and avoid FOMO by all means. It's gone, it's gone. Leave it, let it go. We're gonna catch another one, of course. The market has a lot of opportunities. Okay. Keep that in practice, by the way. Anytime you miss a trade, don't kill yourself because you missed a trade. It's okay. Probably it was not your trade. Probably even you could have entered it and then you ended up losing it. So you just dust yourself. You can actually learn from it. You can actually just analyze it and see, okay, this is what I could have done, and see if it makes sense, if you could have ended up in profit. If then it makes sense, then you're like, okay, good. Then I could have ended up in profit. And it's a good thing. Next time now, be more cautious to see it, to seize such opportunities, This one is coming up to the monthly high. Okay, so that's it. We have our buys over there. We got ourselves. We are too late. We could have entered the sell over here, but we're too late. So looking for sells below this point, right? We may end up taking it down all the way to this point if there's the PPI comes out. But I'm really not convinced about the PPI taking gold down because the CPI was very bad. So I'm expecting also the PPI is going to be bad on the dollar. So we may tap the monthly high over here on the gold today. So let's see, right? Only one way to find out, right? To wait for the time and see how it happens. Just to be patient. That's the only one way to find out. Patience and wait. All right. See you in the tomorrow as we do a review on this. Have a good trading day. Be blessed and trade what you see, not what you think. Okay. All right. Let's go.